What? Oh, hey, sorry. I was just reading the news of the big stock market drop today, the second big one in about a week, and I fell asleep. Now, you may wonder why I'm sleeping in the storm here, and hopefully you are too, because I am a commercial real estate investor. Hey, I'm Paul Moore with BiggerPockets.com and Wellings Capital, and I am happy to tell you that I don't worry about the stock market anymore, and I hope you don't either, because real estate investors have the opportunity to do something called investing, not speculating. And I'm not saying that all stock market investing is speculating, but I am saying it can be. And if you're a real estate investor, you have more opportunities, in my mind, to invest and not speculate than most other investors. Now, investing, again, is when your principal is generally safe and you have a chance to make a return. And speculating is when your principal is not at all safe and you have a chance to make a return. And I've written about this on Bigger Pockets quite extensively, but I've learned over the years that it's possible to be an investor or a speculator in the stock market or in real estate. But I recommend that you take the plunge and look at how real estate, there's so many ways to invest safely, to protect your principal and not be worried about the mood on Wall Street or negative interest rates or the crumbling economy or the yield curve being inverted. Real estate investors don't worry so much about these things. Now, it is possible to speculate. Like when my friends and I dropped hundreds of thousands of dollars down an oil well in North Dakota, we were speculating and we lost 100% of our money. Or when I bought a highly leveraged piece of waterfront property, counting on a change in zoning, I was speculating. And at one point, it looked like I was going to be out $800,000. I actually made over $500,000 profit on that because I was able to get that problem fixed. But I still was speculating. When I invested in a self-storage facility with a known quantifiable income and demographics showing the opportunities for revenue, I was investing. When I invest in mobile home parks now through Wellings Capital, I'm investing. Paul Samuelson was the first American winner of the Nobel Peace Prize in economic sciences, and he once said, investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. Now, I want to warn you, speculating is more fun. It's more exciting. Going to Las Vegas is more exciting than putting your money into some boring piece of real estate. But I tell you what, Warren Buffett has made the case for being a boring investor, for buying, for holding for a very long time, and for ignoring the stock market. You know, Buffett looks at the market every day to see where Berkshire Hathaway stock is going, but he ignores it in general when he makes his decisions on buying. Now, my friends who invested in Bitcoin were a perfect example of this. All through 2017, I was hearing about how their investments had doubled and doubled again and doubled again. And my friend even bought an expensive McMansion with his Bitcoin profits, and he actually borrowed the money rather than cashing it out. He actually found somebody to loan him money against his Bitcoin, and that was before it plunged 80% toward the end of December in 2017. Now, real estate is different, or at least it should be if done right. If you're here on Bigger Pockets, you are learning how to do real estate right. You're learning to invest in real estate the boring way, which is, in my mind, the way to great profits and long-term wealth. You know, some people wonder what wealth is. Is it having a mansion or a Ferrari or a boat? Those things are nice, but true wealth are assets that produce income, which is exactly what commercial real estate is, an asset that produces income. And that leads to a change in value, which grows your wealth. Hey, thanks for joining me today on Bigger Pockets. I hope you'll check out this attached article that talks more about this drop in the stock market and why I am sleeping through this storm. All right, have a great day.